welcome back to my channel. I sound so much better. If you guys are new here, I have had bronchitis for almost 3 weeks now, so I sound fine at the moment. That does change the more I talk, but today is going to be kind of like a power hour, speed clean, burst clean type of video. My daughter is down for her first nap. My oldest is at preschool. It is 9:12. I just laid her down about 10 minutes ago. So I'm just gonna try to tidy the house up, like clean it as much as I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm working with, because being sick all weekend and then spending all weekend also when I felt good, like painting my master bedroom, the house is just kind of like, we were in survival mode. We picked up here and there, but it's not like clean, and I didn't do any laundry. So let me show you what I'm going to try to tackle. We have clean clothes that have probably been sitting in the living room for about 4 days now. I have the flooring for my closet, shoes. The toys don't bother me as much because Chloe was playing with those before she went down for a nap. They're just gonna get played with again. High chair really needs kind of cleaned. I don't know what I'm all gonna get done, but I'm going to try to. Kitchen, like stove is just a hot mess. There's stuff all over the floor as usual. We got some coffee beans down here, and this is the, can't even get the door open. So this is our laundry room right now. Some real life cleaning there. So let's go ahead and get all of this picked up. Following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine. Just recently we started sorting our laundry. We had a little mishap with a red dress and ruining about half of my kids' clothes. So now we do darks, and then we do like a pink and red group, and then we do whites. And then I usually always do towels and bed sheets together and bleach those. Like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a. It's so funny to me, the things that you put off when in reality, it probably took me 5 minutes to sit down and fold these when I have literally put it off for 4 days and just not done it. So that's just so funny to me that it really didn't take me that long to do. And if you are new here, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Kristen, and this is Life Made Simple. I also run a blog at lifemadesimple.blog, where it's a lot of affordable home decor gift guides and home renovations and home DIYs, and just kind of showing you my journey through this military spouse life where we're moving tons and we're redoing our homes and just trying to make our houses feel like home. And I hope that this video is motivating you. I'm hoping that you're getting up and that you're cleaning along with me. You might cross the sea, what will be, wanna make this adventure with you. Love me like a stranger, like a melody, flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique, run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a. So cute story, I have 2 daughters if you're new here. Emma is 3 and Chloe is 1, and we went to Sam's Club the other weekend. I was really sick, so I decided to stay inside the truck with Chloe, and Emma came back with this bouquet of flowers, and my husband said it was all her idea. She saw them and was like, I want to take those to mommy. So if you were wondering, Sam's Club bouquets actually last quite a while. I've had those for 2 weeks, and that's not the first bouquet of flowers that we have bought from there.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me.
But my mistake here was that these flowers have been sitting in this water for 2 weeks. It smelled so bad. They were like rotting. The flowers themselves honestly did not look that bad, but I should have changed the water out more often and I didn't. And as you can tell, I was like completely disgusted. This thing smelled so bad. I ended up getting the disinfectant spray and I was like, I don't care. Like, I've got to get this smell to go away.
I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed.
What I'm using here is my Thieves Cleaner, and the bottle was pretty much empty, but I was being too lazy. I didn't feel like refilling it, so I was trying to turn it at every angle to get every last drop out.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two.
So this nifty little gadget I found at TJ Maxx for literally like, I think it was $2.99, and it's supposed to be for your blinds. I really thought this was a cool idea.
Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall, so why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you changed.
So I wanted this to work, and it did for a while. I've actually used it for, I don't know, maybe a handful of times. I got this at TJ Maxx for like $3.99 or $2.99. As you can see, it kind of fell apart. So I don't know if there's a better brand out there or anything like this. This end is supposed to be for like the window part, like when you have it open. I haven't tried that part yet, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. It just kind of fell apart, but it does work. Like, do you see how dirty that is? That is like super dirty. My house gets so dusty so fast. I guess I liked it because it's like at an angle and I could go like this or like this. But as you can tell on the last window, I just used my microfiber cloth. Like, I don't know. I don't think I would recommend this to you guys. I mean, if you want to try it, I'll link it down below because I want to like it. I do like it, but it's just this one didn't hold up. So maybe I can find a better one on Amazon and I'll buy it also and try it out.
Looks like you're changing and all.
I can't be the only person, but I swear I do the dishes and clean this kitchen at least 5 times a day. I honestly don't understand or know why I continue to clean it.
Can you feel me?
It actually kind of faded a lot of the spots. They're not as noticeable, but honestly, I just need to repaint this area. There's a couple spots that I think need more paint, so you can't really tell on the camera, but I'm not gonna get too into it. I'll just leave it there. So it has exactly been a little over an hour. I think it's been like an hour and 15 minutes, and Chloe is just now waking up. Emma will be home in probably about 40 minutes. So I feel like I got a lot done. It may have not looked like I got a lot done, but that's what's realistic. Like, sometimes I don't have time to just quickly clean my whole house. I have time to clean certain areas for a certain amount of minutes. So it's been forever since I've wiped these windows down and cleaned the blinds. They were super dusty. So the fact that I got that done and the table like pretty much cleared off and wiped down, that is great, even though this table will be a hot mess in about 40 minutes when we eat lunch. But yeah, I got the laundry we got most of it put away. I couldn't put Chloe's away because she's in her room, but the kitchen area is clean and I started laundry. So I call that a win. And yeah, if you guys like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up if you like power hours, like burst cleaning, speed cleaning type of things, more realistic cleaning. And subscribe, because I upload 2 to 3 times a week. Right now I am kind of figuring out my upload schedule. I did do Mondays and Wednesdays. Right now, this week, I am trying Tuesday, Thursday, and possibly Sunday. So comment down below, what days do you watch YouTube? I feel like everybody uploads Monday morning and all the videos just kind of get lost. So I was trying different days, kind of like not your normal days, I guess. So I don't know. Comment down below and let me know. But I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.